All right, we've been plugging away.
And we've been ripping apart. Take a look, ladies and gentlemen.
Looky.
We have the debauchery.
It's a fucking hot mess, ain't it?
Oh, yeah. My ex-wives weren't even that bad. No, the one was.
One of mine was.
Well, you know.
One of mine was like that bad.
Yeah, you know.
She's fucking nuts. Anyway.
Okay, so.
Knucking futz.
We've got just a couple of vacuum lines that we need to keep because they run into the car for what needs to be done. We do have a couple of small repairs that need to be taken care of. That we're not supposed to be there from factory in any way.
That's that temp gauge sender.
Which we can do a much better job at feeding it through and
gromming it nice.
Exactly, so that there's no extra heat coming through. So right now I'm just kind of picking up the loose miscellaneous stuff that we don't need under the hood.
We left the wiring for the fans on the fans.
And found part of the problem with the wiring for the fans.
Yeah, it was halfway connected. And then the light wiring is here, but the light is who knows where.
Yeah, I'll find that and see if we can figure out where it's...
And the switch for the light is verkackt.
Yeah.
So.
It's a fucking mashugana.
Oy vey.
So what I'm going to do...
Was that the correct dialect?
Yes, correct.
Okay,
correct.
Good.
Yeah, that was, especially with me being from New York.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, only because...
You like those good bagels.
Oh, yes, I do.
Nice.
Bagels and lox, bagels and cream cheese with butter. Oh, yeah.
Yep, I can't hack the locks, but the cream cheese
I'm going to clean up the front end of the car.
Mm-hmm.
Only because respect.
Yes.
It's not ours.
Tidy it up.
Yep, make it look all nice and pretty again.
I think the next thing we should pull, I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, you're fine.
Is the vacuum bullshit.
Right.
From there, and we should probably start on our electric conversion first and run our wiring, because if we have to cut into that wiring to run any of that stuff, now's the time to do it.
Yep.
So...
Well, I think right now I want to focus on let's get all the stuff that we don't need that's coming out of the car out.
Out of the car.
Let's get it out.
Okay, so that would be the vacuum nonsense.
Okay, so the vacuum nonsense we'll put in a box put aside for later use or whatever for another car.
Or keep it for, you know.
Yeah, whatever.
With the car.
And if you want, I'll let you deal with the vacuum nonsense.
Yeah, I'll pull that.
And if you guys take a look.
Scotty's been busy. We've both been busy on this.
We have almost all of the wiring ready to come out of the front end of the car.
Yeah, now that we've got it undone up there, the fuse block should just pop out.
Well, should.
In theory.
In theory.
Well, you know how that works.
And then as I'm done with the passenger compartment, I'll clean up the doors and the interior of the area that we were at so that we know if there's, which we haven't damaged it, so I'm not worried in any way. And then I'll start getting underneath the car, drop the gas tank.
Back out, because we have to trim it, because it doesn't go all the way up.
Really?
That was the situation. It's a brand new tank, won't go all the way up. Got to trim the edges.
I guarantee you I've never heard that before.
It's made in, guess where?
The United States.
The restaurants have orange chicken.
Oh, thank you. Come again. Or is it, I saw.
Shitty walk.
Or is it,
your shitty chicken. Your shitty chicken. That's quite a bit of shit, man.
Yeah.
It's been a busy day around here.
Yeah, we'll get this all out, and then I'll start pulling all of the wiring from the
back,
from the cabin to the back.
And the back forward.
Yep. So that we have every single solitary piece of wire out. The seats were not bolted in properly at all on the passenger side.
Of course not.
There were no rear bolts at all.
That's safe.
So we'll talk to the owner and see if he wants us to do any repairs to the interior.
Well, he's going to see all of this. I'm going to send him over all of them tonight.
Okay.
It's been a build-up. There was some little stuff of, like, it was short, you know, like, oh, I have a 30-second clip here, 40-second. I'm like, dude, just hold off. Let me get you a...
Yeah.
So you can get some popcorn, sit down, and enjoy the show for the evening. You were going to be a busy man watching videos tonight.
Okay, well, let me get my happy butt to work.
Yes. Keep working.
I'll leave that in here because I'm not done.
All right, I'm gonna...
That can go there. We can fish through, keep what we need.
I'll get the vacuum stuff done. You're gonna wipe that down quick?
Yep, I'm gonna do that real quick to be on the safe side.
Do that, then I will get the vacuum stuff done up there. Then I'm gonna go back to John's.
Okay.
Do what I gotta do on that.
Gotcha, so I'll keep working on this, get the wiring out. I'll pull the driver's side seat out.
Yeah, get it out, get it done.
Yeah.
Yeah, then that makes the floor easy.
Shaboopy, shaboopy.
I like it. It's good. What kind of fun horse shit, happy horse shit you find now?
Well, I don't know if you guys know, I'm sure you do. There's no doubt in my mind.
I know, because my car's held together like this.
You don't use pop rivets to hold a sill plate on a C3 Corvette.
Oh, and this one, the shank broke off in it. That one's going to be extra fun.
So,
gently drill them out. Easy enough. That's right.
okay.
Yeah, it's just breaking the heads off. So we'll get those off, and then we'll fix the piston. Car's saying you need to work on me. Saturday. Smell the fiberglass too. Cute. Lovely. Quality work. There you go. Careful of that bulb. You're not in the hole.
I've never been told that before.
Next time when the tank takes off like that, yeah, there you go. Now it started walking. I knew it. I jinxed you. So. Might get lucky and break the head off that one. It's loosening up for sure.
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, you're right there, bud. Oh, shit. It's the shank. Good old improper installation.
Okay. There it is.